What's cracking, my gamer nerds? So if you didn't follow my direct instructions on how to cop that PS5 or Xbox Series X, just like I did, I followed my own instructions and I got that PS5 and Xbox Series X. So this is the last stretch of the week. If you want to get this system, follow these instructions directly. I'm going to show you all of the stores, the times, the dates, the places, what to do, how to cop this system, and I'm going to show you all the autofill on how to do it. But first things first. Thank you, Boba. Let's go! Alright, here we go. I have all of these tabs open right here to show you guys that I have all of these links open. This is what you got to do. I'm going to provide all of the links down in the description down below. So just copy all those links, add them to each individual tab like these. And then this is what you also want to do. You want to have a notepad open here, like a text pad or something. And I paste in all of the links, like copy all of my links and put it into this pad. In case you close one of these tabs by accident, then you just copy and paste and put it right back in, you know. And I also do this. I copy my credit card number, you know, just type it all in here like that. And then memorize the CSV card in the back, you know, the security card or whatever it is. Because there's some sites when you check out, it will ask you to verify your security code. So you need that in hand right there. So I like to have this notepad open like that in the background. And let me show you guys right now. GameStop is constantly dropping items like throughout the week. They're not announcing what time or whatever, but just constantly check them. You can check Twitter too. I'll leave some Twitter links down below. When people see them, they just post it right away. So GameStop is pretty good, but the only bad thing is that they always sell it in bundles. The PS5 and the Xbox Series X, they always sell it in bundles. So you're paying over that $500. I had to buy the bundle in order to get the PS5 on this one, and I'm glad I did because I couldn't get it all week after that. I kept on checking to see if there's any more, and it's super difficult just to get the system alone. But I'm happy with the bundle. And for GameStop, you have to go to the front page here. You got to go to the home page or have a banner right in front right here. You see this right here? Look, this time they have Xbox available. Now you click on it and then it'll show you what's available. So just constantly look at all these bundles they have. Look how much they marked it up. But that's the only way you can get it. So GameStop, they've been dropping PS5s and Xbox Series X's randomly, but you have to go to the home page here and just look for the banner and click on it. Best Buy. Best Buy, go to the home page and right here it says video games and consoles. Click on that. Best Buy tricked everyone. They dropped early morning around 2 a.m. in the morning. And I think I mentioned this in my last video. I said if you really want this, just stay up all night on Best Buy, because I thought they were going to either drop from midnight to 1 a.m. and people were saying they dropped at 2 a.m. I went to sleep at 1 a.m. and then I randomly woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning and I was able to get the Xbox on this for this price right here. And it was so easy. There were so many available. I even saw the PS5 available, but I already got that already. But there were a lot left and there were a lot of Xboxes. And I took my time on getting the Xbox and I bought some other accessories and it checked out just like that. They did update their system to do a verification thing. They would have a add to cart right here. You would click it and then this button will change to say please wait. It would say please wait and it has the waiting icon on it. And I had to wait 15 minutes and then it asked me to check my email or phone number for a certain verification number. And I liked how they did this to get rid of all the bots, because I had the verification number sent to my email. I entered in that verification number and it allowed me to check out right away. It was so quick and so easy. And there were so many more of both of these systems after I checked out. And that was because they dropped early morning when everyone was asleep. But yeah, that was pretty random. And I knew Best Buy was going to do something tricky like this. I think they're still going to have it up until Friday. So just constantly check them. Moving on, Walmart. They will be available 9 p.m. Eastern time. So subtract 3 hours if you are Pacific time. That'll be 6 p.m. Pacific time on Wednesday, November 25th. And I have been trying to get Walmart for the last 2 weeks. It's super difficult. So many bots on there. I hope they implement some kind of verification system or something better than what they've been doing, because it is super difficult to get Walmart. I'm also hearing that Walmart might have in-store buying, so look out for that. They might provide that on Friday, I'm hearing. So just keep an eye out on that. Another thing is that I've been pinning my comments to the top of my videos on all of the update times. So constantly check back on my updated pin to see if any times have been changed. Target hasn't had a drop in quite a while now, so I think they're going to do something tricky as well. I bet it's going to be either Thursday or early Thursday, maybe even Thursday right after Thanksgiving time around like 8 or 10 p.m. Just look out for them like all day on Thursday, and then especially Friday too, because they are going to drop their system here. I don't know if they're going to have it in store or what, but definitely check online. They haven't had a drop in a while. You got to click on it, and I think it's like, that's the difficult thing with Target here. It's like it's only if it's available in stores near you. PlayStation Direct, they're saying that they're completely out of stock, but that might just be a rumor, or they're trying to trick people. I would just constantly check out this website. Check them out on Thursday, on Friday. I think they will have more, but that is the rumor right now. They're saying they're completely out of stock on PlayStation Direct. Newegg hasn't had any drops for quite a while now, and they're kind of like GameStop by having PS5 bundles and Xbox Series X bundles. So constantly check them out, but the prices are a little bit higher because they're only selling them in bundles. But yeah, they haven't had any drops for a while, so I would be expecting a drop on this either Friday or late Thursday. Amazon, same thing. Amazon hasn't had any drops for a while, and Amazon's kind of tricky. I think they wait for other sites to drop, and then they randomly and secretly just make a couple available. When, let's say, if Best Buy drop, boom, Amazon just releases a couple. I think they've been tricky like that, so keep an eye out on Amazon here. B&H Photo, I don't know if they will have any more here. They haven't dropped for a while, but you know, anything is game for Black Friday, so same thing, check on Thursday and Fridays for B&H Photo. They have both the PS5 and Xbox Series X. Kohl's right here. Kohl's screwed everyone over. They refunded thousands of orders because they didn't have enough in stock. So what I'm going to say with Kohl's is cancel them out right here. They're not going to have any more. If they refunded thousands, they gave credit to thousands of people, like $200 in credit, because they had to refund them on it. They didn't have enough in stock, so I wouldn't do Kohl's anymore. Lenovo.com right here. I haven't seen any drops for Lenovo yet. The thing is, they only have the Microsoft Xbox Series X systems. They don't have the PS5 in stock, but constantly check them out. They might have the Xbox. And then finally, Adorama. Adorama hasn't had a drop in a while. Constantly check them out. They might have something on Black Friday. Look, Black Friday is on, so check out Thursdays and Fridays for them. I think they'll have some available. And once again, they only have the Xboxes here, no PS5s. So right here, you want to check out twitter.com for Wario64. He constantly gives you updates on what's dropping, where, when, how to do it, and he's been pretty good on updating everyone on this, so add his Twitter. So now I'm going to show you guys right here how to cop these systems faster, and this is what I do right here. If you're using Chrome, go up to the upper right, and there's this little icon up here. Click on it and sign into your Gmail. And then after you sign in, you want to click on the payment methods, all of these icons, and fill them in. So you want to do your payment methods right here, right? I have the page open right here. Add your credit card to here. Go to, you know, addresses, add in your shipping address and all that, and then also do passwords right here. And so that when you go and check out, you can quickly autofill for all of those. Autofill your passwords, autofill your credit card, autofill, you know, your shipping. And I did this for my systems, and I checked out super fast, and that's how I was able to get all of my stuff. So definitely use this right here. Sign into any Gmail account so that it can save your information. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Everything will be in the link down below in my description, as well as check out my pins in my comments, because I constantly update it whenever I hear something, any rumors, any updates on any of these sites, whether it's Walmart, Best Buy, GameStop, any of those. Those are the three top ones right now. I want to say GameStop, Walmart, Best Buy. They have constantly been doing just random drops, so check them out. Read my comments, read the pins, and check out the description down below. Like this video, and good luck everyone. Let's get this. Let's go!